Hello everyone! Let's find out what beautiful drawings we'll be creating next. We'll be drawing a beautiful lipstick adorned with pretty floral patterns. A must-have for fashionistas. Let's squeeze out some colorful toothpaste and see how these adorable toothpaste fairies help us keep our teeth healthy. We'll draw a funny clown face with a lavishly decorated hat, bringing endless joy to everyone. We'll draw a chubby little cow with interesting spots all over its body, wrapped in a fancy blanket. We'll draw 3 adorable kittens with heart-shaped blush on their cheeks, guaranteed to melt your heart. Next is a smiling little bee, busy collecting honey with a small bucket in her hand. Come fly with her. We'll draw 2 cheerful little yellow ducks playing happily on the grass, with a few white clouds floating in the sunny sky. Then we'll draw 2 dancing leaf fairies, happily swaying to the music. Next, we'll draw a mischievous little turtle swimming in the water, winking at you. Let's draw a cute little bunny sitting on a swing, enjoying a leisurely time. We'll draw some colorful little fish swimming freely in the water, creating a beautiful underwater world. Next, let's draw a cute little dragon with big eyes and pretty spots on its body, looking very friendly. Then we'll draw a lively little tiger standing on the grass, surrounded by blue skies and white clouds, sure to make you fall in love with it. We'll draw a chubby little panda with many hearts floating around, giving a warm and cozy feeling at first glance. Next, we'll draw a happy little cow standing on a lush green meadow with a backdrop of white clouds and blue sky, creating a harmonious rural scene. Get your brushes ready and join our drawing paradise. New drawing videos are released every week, bringing you endless creativity and fun. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you won't miss any exciting content. We're waiting for you.